Greetings and welcome to the Introduction to Astronomy. In this brief video, I am just going to talk about the updates coming to my channel for July of 2025. So, what is planned? Well, a couple things are going to change. First of all, this channel does have lecture slides and videos specifically for use with the OpenStax Astronomy textbook, the second edition. I do have some updates coming here. My intention over the rest of the summer is to review the slides and to re-release the lectures over the course of probably the rest of the year. It'll take a while to release each of those. So I may re-record some of them. I may just redo the video on some of them. There may be a few things that are changed, but I will look at them each in detail and try to make a few updates there for some of the newer content that is available. Of course, I will be updating the channel regularly, and for right now, for sure, what I will be doing is Monday, as has been, will remain my APOD, or the Astronomy Picture of the day, and this will continue through the rest of the year. On Wednesday, I am going to pause. I've been working on exploration of the solar system, and we're working into some of the more recent ones now, but I am going to take a pause on that for at least the next few months and replace it and come back and do a few more misconceptions in astronomy, which has always been interesting to do. So I will do that, and I hope to continue that for the rest of the year. Friday, I am going to continue with my other cultures on the Muslim astronomers that I'm working on. I have enough scheduled there to probably run that through September and finish up that section. So that will run through pretty much through September, and then we'll see what comes up next and what is decided to put in the channel there. So that's really what I wanted to just mention, just let you know what's coming and what you have to look forward to over the next few months on the channel. So, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.